What's going on? It's your boy DameSmiff, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about making delicious breakfast sandwiches at home. So I'm sure you got your favorite videos and things like that, but everything on this channel is all about food tracking. So the first thing we need to get is a food scale, right? And so to build this delicious sandwich, we're starting with a everything bagel, and the food scale here tells us that it's 83 grams worth of bagel. And next, I decided to use a little bit of deli ham, which comes out to 22 grams, and then two small eggs, and they come out to 115 grams. So we're gonna put all that into the pan with a little bit of butter and season the eggs as well, and then we're gonna make a little bit of a mayo topping, and then we'll stack it all together to make a bagel. But all in all, while this cooks deliciously in the background, I wanted you guys to really understand the importance of tracking your food, right? So the reason you track it is so that you can understand what you're eating, what you're not eating, what you like, what you don't like, and the things that work for your goals. So here I have a little bit of cheese that I'm gonna add. Those are the seasonings I use, and I slightly season my eggs, but let me know in the comments if you like your eggs seasoned or lightly seasoned with just salt and pepper. And so for me, I like my eggs a little bit harder than normal, so I want to know in the comments too how you like your eggs. And so the cool thing about all of this, now that I've tracked everything on a food scale, it actually makes it very, very easy to just go ahead and cook, go ahead and eat. And so I like to get everything nice and crispy and brown and burnt and delicious, right? But for you, you may like things a particular way. The important part about this video is that you understand that you know how much you're eating, and so that way cooking is just fun. It's no longer a guessing game. And removing the guessing game makes reaching your goals so much easier, especially when you have things like losing weight or building muscle as a specific goal. So, as we continue to melt some delicious cheese and goodness and get everything nice and warm and toasty, I do want to help you guys understand that the best part about building breakfast at home is that it feels good when you're cooking at home. Cooking at home pretty much gives you the benefit of understanding what you're eating a little bit better. You'll also know what you like and be able to make things precisely how you want, and you get to practice some cool new things like this nice little sauce that I made. I didn't really know I could make anything like this until I tried, so give it a try. Go in your kitchen, get creative, think of ideas, try to pull it off. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Now, another thing that measuring and tracking your food really, really helps with is that it makes that a part of being creative in the kitchen that much more fun. Now you can really repeat things. If you do love something, you now know exactly what you did. And you can also eat kind of worry free. Like I can eat all of this sauce that I made because I know it's exactly what I'm going to be tracking within my fitness apps. So anything like this that I want to eat in the morning, I can definitely save this in my little diary and repeat it next time.